Hey everyone, it's Melissa here with DORN Companies. Today, I'd like to speak with you about DORN on the go. From the office to the manufacturing floor, distribution centers to warehouses, we are committed to educating and empowering employees so that they're able to engage in their own well-being. DORN on the go allows them to do just that. With DORN on the go, you're provided access to a database of over 700 exercises. With the support of a DORN specialist, we can customize those exercises for your employees to fit the types of tasks that they do in their jobs every day. They then can use this system to engage in pre-shift conditioning, micro breaks, and can even use it at home. Ultimately, this app allows you to provide ongoing reinforcement of your current safety initiatives, support a culture of safety and wellness in a cost-effective manner, reduces costs associated with injuries, pain, absenteeism, or loss of productivity, and provides you as the employer information and insights into how they use this program, how it impacts their health, and how you can further engage them. So, if you're interested in learning more, visit our website or reach out to us to schedule your free demo today. Stay safe, everyone.